alam ko. So, okay, it's okay if she shows her face, because you guys already have shown.
I'm so pretty.
I already have show her face when we were like dancing in Valentine's Day, I guess. Like, you're gonna see that. You're gonna see that. You're gonna see that video. When you like scroll all the way to my oldest videos, like this is my first newest video. It's my first time actually uploading again. Cause it's my first time again. Sorry if I wasn't like posting a lot last time. Why? Why not English? Bakit bawal? Bakit no English? Why no?
Hindi ako marunong mag-English.
Oh, she said she doesn't know how to speak English. Okay.
Pero marunong ako mag-Bisaya. Shout out sa mga Bisaya. Diyan.
Eh!
Shout out si tita ko. Tapos kay Saina. Lumuman din si Saina. Grade 9 pala kayo nagsusugal na.
Yo!
Tapos
Yeah. Kinaan.
Takla. Pinsan ko yun. Ito isa.
Naglulog. Hindi ko kita ang blurry kasi tos mailaw.
Shout out kay Tita Tintin dyan, tapos kay Saina.
So, nagbago na po school natin. The school changed. Our school changed. So, nagbago na school namin.
Diba
Si Saina.
pag-narinig ka?
Bubulong mo na lang, tapos hindi ko sasabihin sa kanila. Pati parinig nila.
Diba? Pinsan ko si Saina.
Pinsan mo si Saina. Malapit na matapos.
Ay, gabi-gabi. Tapos tapos
What? No way! So guys, yun lang yung vlog natin. Shout out dun sa mga kaklase ko. I-shout out ko siya ha.